Hey guys, it's ProXCuber, and today I have an unboxing of my package from the Cubicle. So in this package, I should have 5 cubes, the RS3M 2020, the Meilong 3M, Dayan Guhong V4M, Yuxin Little Magic and QiYi MS, and I should also have some stickers and a data connector for a Stackmat. So the first thing in here we got is a Yuxin Little Magic, and taped to that we have an RS3M 2020 magnet kit right here. So that's really nice. Yep, this is my, I'm not sure if this is just a new packaging for it or not, because this is a different packaging than the old Yuxin Little Magic. It used to have like a tan box. So yeah. Next is the Dayan Guhong V4M. Really excited about this cube. I heard it feels like the GAN 11M Pro. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Next is the QiYi MS. I heard this is a really good cube for the price, and I wanted to try it. The next cube is an RS3M 2020 in black, of course. And in my previous unboxing of my stickerless RS3M 2020, I said that I wish it was in black, and now they released one in black, so that's really good. A Meilong 3M in black. Same thing with the other one. I wish that they made it in black, so they made it in black, so there we go. And the last few things in the package are the Stackmat data connector. So this is really nice, so I don't have to hand type all of the times. Some stickers for the RS3M, and then some stickers for the Yuxin Little Magic, business card and receipt as well. I forgot that they actually make RS3M 2020 stickers, so that's that. But it doesn't really matter. I think they're the same size, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Yuxin Little Magic stickers, of course, and the Cubicle sticker that they gave for the promotion that they had. It's a pretty nice sticker. So yeah, that's that. So I guess we'll just open the Stackmat data connector first. So here it is. It seems like it's actually pretty high quality, and this was only like $2.99. It seems really long, so that's really good. I don't have to I can use it from far. So yeah, that's pretty, I'd say that's about maybe even 6 feet. So this is an aux, so this plugs into your computer like a headphone, and then this is a plug right here that fits into this right there. So yeah, that's that. Seems like it'll work good, so yeah, pretty excited about that. The first cube we're gonna get into is the Yuxin Little Magic, so let's get into that. So here's the cube. It came with just the pamphlet, of course. Don't use those. So yeah, here's the cube. This is my like 3rd Yuxin Little Magic. I really liked the stickerless one, which I have right here, which I turned into a really good cube by putting so many different, I put like edge core magnets and another one that I will do a video of sometime. So yeah, this cube is definitely a Yuxin Little Magic. I remember this feeling of a stock one. Really scratchy. I think this is like one of the first cubes to actually have matte plastic or frosted plastic. So yeah, that's pretty good. Moving on to the Meilong 3M. Here's the cube. A red stand this time. And then we have the infamous accessories box that does not come out. So let's just open it from this end, like this. So in this accessories box, it should just be the same as normal. So just the screwdriver and some pamphlets. So yeah, nothing too exciting there. So here's the cube. It has the typical MoYu stickers. Oops, sorry. It's the like really thick stickers, not like vinyl. Like the older cubes have this, not the newer ones like the Worm 2020 and the 4x4 Worm, but like the Oolong version 2 and the original Weilongs and stuff have this kind. So yeah, sticker shades are really nice. It's like a really pastel blue, orange, probably like half brights with a brighter orange and sky blue. So yeah, let's do first turns. Yeah, that's really good. I really like the Meilong. It's actually my main, or I've been solving on it a lot recently, and I would consider it my main. So here's that one. I made it matte by sanding it down, and I will have a video of that. I don't know if it's up by this time, but if it is, you can click the iCard. So yeah, it's of course pretty tight out of the box. It reminds me of the older MoYu cubes, just by the stickers. It's really good. I think it's actually better than the stickerless one out of the box. Could just be the tensions. But yeah, that's really good. This is going to be really good for modding, and I don't know if I'll re-sticker it because I don't think they sell these stickers. So yeah. It also has a frosted plastic finish, so yep. On to the RS3M 2020. This has lots of plastic on it. Doesn't come out. So here it is. I'm guessing it's just the same stuff. Of course, it has the extra adjustment thing, screwdriver, the adjustment tool, and of course some cards. Let's see. Yep, pamphlet and cards. We got something different this time. Bruh. So yeah, that's that. A red MoYu stand. That's pretty cool. And here's the cube. Of course, more plastic. So yeah, let's cut it open. So we have gotten to the cube now. It's those stickers again. Same thing as the Meilong that I just opened. They're like tiles, kind of. The blue looks a lot darker on camera than it really is, so keep that in mind. So let's do first turns. Wow, this is really good. It really feels like the Worm 2020 actually. So yeah, I might do a comparison on those two. It feels actually a lot different than the stickerless one. Here is, my stickerless one is right here. With corner core magnets, you can watch that video, click in the iCards. It's really good. And then the black one's probably even better. Or it could just because mine's pretty sluggish, because I lubed it with heavier lube. And then this one's like, out of the box, really scratchy and fast. So yeah, those stickers would look really nice on this. Tensions are a bit tight. Let's take a look in here. Of course, it has a black center cap, so you could swap those out if you really wanted to. So yeah, that's that. I will do a setup video for this. I have a pretty good plan on what I'll do with that. So yep, that's that. Next is a QiYi MS. This one has a lot of plastic. It looks like in the cube, and then plastic on the outside of the box here, so it's kind of weird. Very unnecessary to have plastic on the outside here. So yeah, that's that. This is a pretty weird box. It's really big, so let's see. I don't know how to open this. Bruh. I'm pretty sure you just like push maybe. Yeah, there we go. Latch is open. Pretty nice design of a box actually. So here's the cube. In here comes with just a pamphlet, nothing else, no magnets. So that's that. The cube here has really nice shades. It's those QiYi half bright shades with like a bright orange here. So yeah, let's open it up. Okay, so off the bat, this cube is really oily, similar to the Volk 3 Elite, and it's really tight. The tensions are really tight, so yeah, let's do first turns. Wow, this cube's really like different. Feels like an older cube, to be honest. I do think this is 57 millimeters, so a bit bigger than the normal. Now it's like 55.5 to 56, and then 57 is like, that's what the older cubes were like the Aolong version 2. It looks like a Volk, but it doesn't really feel like a Volk. Corner cutting on here is, wow, so oily, my hands keep slipping. The corner cutting's pretty good. Reverse. Let's see. It's kind of subpar, to be honest, but that's because it has really tight tensions. The magnet strength is pretty moderate. There's like a weird bump though. So yeah, let's check out this piece design. This is the piece design. It's pretty cool. Let's see inside here. Alright, so that's good. It's not just a open magnet. It has some sort of case around it so that the magnets don't fall out. Of course, that QiYi green core. So yeah, that's that. This cube I'll set up. I'll play around with it a little bit. Yeah, that's that. Next is the Dayan Guhong version 4M. While I have not tried an original Guhong, I did try a Zanchi before, and I don't know what happened to it, but yeah. This box is really nice actually, and this cube's only $15, and it has really good performance, I heard, so yeah. This is odd that it's a blue side. When you open it, usually it's the white side with the logo and stuff. So yeah, nice box. I'll probably use this as a cube cover. I've been using the Volk Elite for a cube cover, so yeah. Here's the cube. It looks really nice. I really like this orange and the dark blue. They contrast really well. I'm not a fan of the dark red, but it's fine. Nice silver Dayan logo. Feels pretty small, to be honest, so yeah. I do think it's like, I forgot what size, but should be okay. This is an accessories box, I'm guessing. Nice, pretty solid screwdriver. Ooh, a cube bag. I haven't had one of these in a while. Like the GAN bag, but the material's a little different. And then a pan foot, of course. So here's the cube. Let's cut it open. So here's the cube. It's not very oily. That's pretty good. I don't like it when cubes have oil. So, yep, let's check tensions. Tensions are pretty good. It's pretty loose. Wow. This cube feels really nice. Like I said, I really like the contrast between the blue side and the orange side. It's really nice. Let's check out the screw in here. Wow, very simple. I can appreciate that. Seems like there's a lot of room in the centerpiece for like center edge magnets. So yeah, that's really nice. There's a white core in there, if you could see that. This cube is really good. Corner cutting's like, let's see. I don't think it can cut line to line. But over 45 degrees on these tensions. Reverse is really nice. And like, you won't really do those cuts in an actual solve, so yeah, that's this cube. There is, I believe, a really like simple piece design, but like there's these like ridges here, so that's actually kind of cool, pretty unique. The edge is really simple though, except for these ridges here, or these like waves, but the piece is really flat on the edge here. Pretty cool magnets inside. Looks like 3x2, probably N50s. The magnets are pretty strong in my opinion. So yeah, I think I might put some edge core magnets in this, or corner core magnets or something, or I might just leave it as is and just use it for anything, I guess. I don't think it's that good for OH, but that's okay. I don't really care for OH that much. So yeah, I hope you guys like that unboxing. I got a bunch of cubes that I already had and just got black versions of them because I just really like them and I like black cubes. So yeah, I hope you guys like that video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we're almost at 100 subs, so get me to 100 subs. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.